Ready to ditch the tedious frame-by-frame animation and unlock the power to create intricate character movements with ease? We're diving into the world of character rigging in Adobe Animate, a technique that streamlines animation by creating reusable character controls, also known as rigs first. Let's open Adobe Animate and either start a new project or open an existing one. Select the character template, or manually create a new project and import your character artwork. This artwork should be separated into different body parts, like arms, legs, and torso. Now activate the Bone tool. It's typically located in the Tools panel, which looks like a small, connected bone icon. Click and drag with the Bone tool to build a skeletal structure over your character. This involves creating bones that connect different parts of your character. Like a skeleton, start by clicking on one body part, then drag the cursor to another, clicking to confirm the connection. Repeat this process, linking all relevant body parts like arms, legs, and optionally, a head or torso. Once the skeletal structure is built, Adobe Animate will automatically generate an inverse kinematics handle, or IK handle. These circular handles allow you to control the connected bones in a much easier way. They will appear where segments end. You can now move the IK handle to pose your character. You can add more IK handles to control complex movement scenarios for arms, legs, and other parts of the character. Now let's animate. In the timeline panel, select the frame where you want to start your animation. Use the character's controls, drag the IK handles to create your desired poses. Right-click on the timeline and create a classic tween or motion tween. Animate will automatically fill in the movements within between frames, creating smooth animation. Simply repeat this pose, move, and tween process to add dynamism and action. Remember to save your work. Now go forth and animate.